Hi guys. Today we're going to be talking about subtracting time or going back and finding the starting point if we know the ending time. But again, I want to start off with my little reminder. How many minutes equal 1 hour? I'm hoping you all said 60. So there I have my reminder, and I'm going to leave that on my board the entire time I'm doing this lesson, just to keep me on track. Let me review a little bit from yesterday, though. So if I have a starting time of 10:30, I'm just showing my minute hand because I know it'd be down here for 30, and I want to go to 11:15. So I'm going to be going to 3 after. Remember, 5, 10, 15. So how long is it from here until it gets around to here? Well, let's do our little flower petals. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it would be 45 minutes to get from 10:30 to 11:15. Okay, so I can do things that way, especially if I'm just talking minutes and I don't have any hours involved. But what if I'm saying, if I started something at noon and I finished at 2, how long is that? Well, I know that it's 1 hour from noon until 1, and another hour from 1 until 2. So how many hours is it from noon until 2? 1, 2. 2 hours. So my timeline comes in handy with that also. It's going to come in handy going backward also. Let me erase this. Let me find my example. Okay, so what if I said I woke up at 4 a.m. I had gone to sleep at midnight. How long is it if I'm going back in time from 4 a.m. to midnight? Well, I can go back an hour. Oops. And it would be, what's a number before 4? 3 a.m. I could go back another hour. What's right before 3? 2 a.m. I could go back an hour. What's an hour before 2? That would be 1 a.m. And then from 1 a.m. back to midnight would be another hour. So how many hours are between? How many hours would I have slept if I slept from midnight to 4 a.m.? It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me do another example. Keeping in mind, 60 minutes in an hour. So if I got home at 6:20 and I had left at 3:40, how long would that be? Again, I could do my timeline, and I could go from 3:40 to 4:40 to 5:40. I can't go to 6:40 though, can I? But what's 20 minutes right past that? This is 20 minutes. And then from 6 to 6:20 is another 20 minutes. So I have 2 hours, and 20 plus 20 is 40 minutes. Or, and this is what we're going to be working on today. I don't want to mess this up, but if I have 6:20 minus 3:40, my 0, but I can't take 4 from 2. I'm going to borrow from this. This becomes a 5, but remember, when I bring this over, I'm bringing over a 6 because there are 60 minutes. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. So that's the 2 hours and 40 minutes. 2 hours and 40 minutes. Okay? Keeping that in mind. If I went, let me jump right to this. If I have 1 hour and I want to subtract 30 minutes, what I would do is take this hour and convert it into just minutes. 1 hour equals how many minutes? 60 minutes. So now I'm doing 60 minutes minus 30 minutes, and I can get 30 minutes. What if I have 5 hours and 10 minutes? And what if I want to subtract off 45 minutes? I can't take the 45 from the 10, so I'm going to have to borrow from the 5. The 5 will go down to 4 hours. If I bring an hour over, an hour equals 60 minutes, so I'm bringing 60 minutes over. Add my 60 plus the 10 already there, that's going to be equal 70. So this will become a 70. Now I can do this. This will become a 6. This will become a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. There are my minutes. 4 hours minus nothing is still 4 hours. So I get 4 hours and 25 minutes. Hold on and let's try another one. Let's say I have 6 hours and 20 minutes minus 2 hours and 30 minutes. I can't take 30 from the 20, can I? So I'm going to borrow from the 6. The 6 becomes a 5. I'm bringing over 1 hour, but this is minutes, so there are 60 minutes in an hour. So I'm bringing over 60. 60 plus the 20 that's there is 80. So this 20 minutes becomes 80 minutes. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is, or 2 is, they're giving you the answer again, huh? Is 3. So 6 hours and 20 minutes minus 2 hours and 30 minutes is 3 hours and 50 minutes. I hope that helps. Homework tonight is page 132. Again, email me, do something, but let me know if you have questions. Bye, guys.